Well, good morning, everyone. Happy Christmas Eve. We're working this morning just for a few hours till lunchtime. So if there's anybody looking for some last-minute Christmas gifts, we still have a whole bunch of toys and stuff here if people are interested. Going to be an interesting day today. As everybody knows, Advantage sells Massey and Fendt. And we've had a ton of stuff show up here over the last few weeks. We've had this 8S show up. There's a 728 that I've sold that showed up. A couple more 1038s, a 1050. But what we're actually going to do today is we sell some short line stuff. So we sell Bobcat and this Weidemann loader and some stuff like that. So one of my co-workers here, he has a chicken barn, and they're actually going to clean their barn out today, and we took a bunch of our equipment over there to get some video footage of it for when we do a farm show. I'm going to head over there and show you some of the smaller stuff like this little loader here and what it is all about and how it works. And then we've also got these little telehandlers here. So last night we had, I don't know, probably 3 inches of snow. Roger's just using the used 512 that we just traded in to clean out the driveway here. And it looks like it's all gonna melt before Christmas, which sucks, but it's at least a little bit white here to start the day off anyways. So I'll take you over to Matt's and we'll show you how things are going over there this morning here around 9 o'clock. My 728 for my sale just showed up here the other day. They've gone through and done a PDI and everything on it. I think what I'm going to do right after Christmas is we'll do a comparison between the 8S and the 728. They're kind of in the middle of two different ranges that will cross over each other, but it's interesting to see the difference in how AGCO has set up two different products within the same company that will basically do the exact same thing. So we'll do that after Christmas for everybody once we've done some yearly reviews and everything like that. So these will be the two little units that we'll be primarily using today. One is a little Bobcat, and the other's the Weidemann T4512. Nice little unit. Oh, there he is. There he is. So this used to be Steiner, and Bobcat's now taking it. They love it. They've got a blower, a blade, lawnmower that goes on it, and it works really well for what they're doing here. So now it's time to push. We got everything cleaned off around the outside. The Steiner came through and did one little wing out with the blade. Matt's just doing another one pass over the barn with the leaf blower, just trying to get all the dust and everything away from the walls. And his dad's gonna come in with the Weidemann now, and we'll start pushing. So one of the reasons we wanted to show this is these units are absolutely perfect for doing this sort of a job. I hadn't seen one of these Weidemann loaders yet, and I am impressed. It does not spin out when it gets full. It's got tons of power. Even these Bobcats, they are nimble. Lots of power too. Typically, the only place that I've seen him spin out is when he gets the blade pushed down a little bit too hard into the concrete. If you look, the tires aren't even spinning. They're turning, but they're not spinning. And it is always important to check up on your text messages. Yeah. No, two of them work really well together.
For sure.
Normally it's the tractor okay.
We used the cage tractor. All through the edges of these bushes. Get the hang of it now.
Well, I did. The hardest part's figuring out where the height is with those little lines that were hanging down.
The other they both were changed so you can see them. You can't see them.
Well, and it was the wiper on the top that got it.
Oh, really?
It's destroyed. We'll have to get a new one. No big deal, but
warranty.
Yeah. So we're all done with this thing now. We were a little over an hour, weren't we? Yeah. A little over an hour to clean that barn out. So this is a 1.2 ton machine, 45 horse, hydrostatic drive, telescopic, electric over hydraulic for the controls. And I had not seen one of these up until today running. I mean, I've seen them in the yard and everything like that, but it was pretty slick. She worked pretty good. So a little bit small on the cab size, but it's supposed to be with the fact that it's so small. So, but I think this would be a great machine for anybody that's in confined spaces, chicken barns, stuff like that, that they're needing to clean out and everything like that. It's nimble, it's quick. Matt's dad drove it the whole time, and what he liked about it is he could turn around before he came back in the barn rather than having to back in the barn, which they normally just use a tractor and a loader to be able to do the same thing. So they were quite impressed with it. The Bobcat is 25 horsepower At450. This has the old Steiner blade on the front of it from their previous machine that they owned, but they bought this from Advantage a year or so ago. And again, I think you put these two machines side by side in that barn and it did a pretty decent job there. So anyways, today is Christmas Eve, like I said earlier. Really want to say thanks to Matt and his dad for having us come over to be able to see them clean this thing out with these two different pieces of equipment than what we would normally do. I want to thank everybody for watching all the videos we've done since I started this whole thing back a few months ago. It's been a lot of fun getting into this. We'll get into some more of it as we start carrying into the new year here. But with that, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.